Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Kitchen Mondays, the day we serve up the best kitchen gadgets to make life easier. Today we're looking at the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 multi-cooker, an upgraded version of the classic Instant Pot that promises to replace multiple kitchen appliances in one. Let's break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with versatility. With 9 cooking functions, it works as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, food warmer, sterilizer, and even a sous vide machine. It also comes with 15 customizable smart programs, so whether you're making soup, rice, or even cake, it's one-touch simple. Cooking is not only easier, but also up to 70% faster compared to traditional methods, which is a game-changer for busy weeknights. The 6-quart stainless steel inner pot is family-sized, dishwasher-safe, and has a tri-ply bottom that prevents spinning while you sauté. Safety is another highlight. With over 10 built-in safety features like overheat protection and a sealing lid lock, you can pressure cook without worry. And when it's time to release pressure, the easy-release steam switch makes it quick and safe. On the downside, there's still a learning curve, especially for first-time Instant Pot users who may find the controls intimidating. While it replaces several appliances, it's not small, so counter and storage space are something to consider. So, is it worth it? If you want one appliance that can do almost everything, from pressure cooking to yogurt making, and you're ready to learn how to use it, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is an excellent choice. But if you only need a basic slow cooker or rice cooker, it might be more than you really need. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.